your stinking paws off me, you damn dirty...
I feel like Tarzan, a black man amongst gorillas. Thank God I have no daughters or no younger sisters. If I did, you fuck with them, I would kill ya. Like the Jews if my name was Hitler. I've seen female teens trade pussy for food and greens. For the weave they would suck your dick and leave it clean. Where's the parents to guide these young women seen? Trapped in a dream, or they're just a fiend. Sorry baby, I'll never kiss ya. Not to diss ya, we disagree, you hit me and I'll have to hit ya. While these younger girls sweet as fuck, little peas give it up. Swallow nuts and want all that kinky stuff. Moving like a youngling, on some guan. My boy regretted it when he said get, walk along. In that moment nothing's wrong, I'ma tell you something. Blame the game cousin, bottom line she's fucking.
David Blackball, he child molested that 15, 16-year-old girl that he just got sued for. That nigga fucked the baby. He got sued and lost. They had evidence and showed that he molests children. He's a pedophile. And he walking around with his chest still stuck out, hollering, and everybody still love him.
If you know you's an apist, play the other side, you're the fakest. Get stopped a hell cause, bitch. Bitch, hell's where I'm living, so I'm militant. Enlist human flagrants for cases, murder clips. I seen these young chicks with old cats, cash is thick. Fuck 'em for a lint, spliffing all killed with piss. Little girls, you need a ride, here's some Lay's candies made from sucralose, rufalin and brandy. I'll murder him gladly, along with waste chickens. Queen is a title, Barbies need to learn and listen. Like a king, he earned your love, now earn that ring. Damaged baggage, here's a drink, watch him sing. That will stop your thinking, no long-term things. Loose ass finger puppets dancing on a string. Young girls, you are what they're targeted. Statutory apes, for papes, baby girls, bananas. She only cares about looking good and getting hammered. She'll do anything to feel like she really matters. She won't take a bath but take selfies with the camera. Jailbait, some escape and some face a slammer. Loose bitches treat the pussy like Dollarama. She talks shit but can't speak with no propaganda. Father wasn't there, take a look at her. Mama's just a dumb bitch, take a look at her. The statutory